This is the second floor. This building. I had to go in through the window. This is a day in the life of a home inspector. So there's my ladder. I had to put my ladder up because the stairs to the second floor are gone. See right there, the stairs are gone. It goes all the way to the basement. I'm not even going to step down on that landing because it's so rotted. I saw insect damage in the wood down there, so I'm not even going to stand on that landing to get a better shot. This is a bedroom on the second floor. This is the central hall. I could see light coming through the roof. This building needs a roof on it. It's wet in here. It rained last night. First rain we got in a couple of weeks. Yeah, it's wet in here, so definitely water pouring through. Bathroom. So I went in the unit next door too, and it shares a stack. This is a, a row house or brownstone or whatever you want to call it. And the stack is right behind this wall, behind the toilet, and it's busted in half. It's the original cast iron. I believe this building was built around 1910. There I am. There's my selfie. So it's 1, 2, 3 bedrooms up here. Yeah, there's more plastic, lots of mold. You can smell it in here. It's been leaking for a long time. Yeah, that's been leaking there. See, this is not from last night. This is long-term leaking, okay? All right. So 3 bedrooms, stairs are gone. I don't know how the hell I'm going to get in the basement, because that goes all the way to the basement, that hole. I could drop a step ladder in there, I guess. All right, I'm going to take some pictures and get out of here. So on something like this, this needs to be gutted out. This is, let's say it's 1,000 square feet. It's probably more like 12, but let's just say it's 1,000. This needs, basically what you have here is a frame, and some of the framing is bad because I found some, what I believe is termite damage down there. So I'd start it right around $200 a square foot to renovate this place. So if it's 1,000 square feet at $200 a square foot, that's $200,000. So, so that's a starting point when I try to estimate something like this for someone. That's just a starting point. And you can break it out, kitchen, a basic kitchen for a place like this, this is $8,000 or $10,000. Bathroom. One of my friends does bathrooms. To gut and redo a bathroom, he charges $6,000 to $8,000. He just told me the other day. So those are just reference points. All right, that's it.